based on this comparator. And this comparator would compare customers. So here I'm going to specify, once you do this comparator is you have to implement a compare method, which returns an integer. Here I have a customer A and customer B. I'm going to compare them. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the difference based on total order. And in fact, when I try to do this is I'm to take B minus A. The reason that I take B minus A is because we need to sort based on the descending order. And based on this, if the result is greater than 0, we return a 1, equal to 0, return 0, and negative number, we are going to return negative 1. And after this, we would get the result sorted. We would get all the customers sorted. And we get back to store manager main, and we try to run the program. If you take a look at this, and you will see Austin the first, and Ashby the second, and Alex the third. And if you look at what we have here, that's exactly correct. So after this, after this point, all we have to do is you figure out how could you do the output. So essentially, the logic we have done up to this point, would be complete. And all you have to do is figure out how can you do the output. Here the output, essentially the order detail part is you need to generate on the as well as in the file. So I specify here, we see generate the output to the screen as well as in file. And here what we need to do is we generate the order summary to a file. And in both steps they are very straightforward. All you have to do is you use the print writer, or whenever you output to the screen, it's even more obvious. So let's do it here. So we say print writer, and the first thing that we are going to say is order details. Order details, detail out is print writer. New file, and we need to make sure that the name that we generate would be exactly correct, and that's called order details.txt. Okay, and after this, to make sure that you do the proper import. So we do a try and catch. Okay. And after this point, you like to generate initially the header part. I'm going to say generate the header. Okay, after that, you need to make sure that you do the order details out dot order detail out dot print. That's what you are going to have, print the details. And after this, you would just do order detail out. You are going to close it, close the print writer. And similarly, you are going to apply the output to the order summary part. I think all these are very, very simple. And I'm just going to leave the remaining section as exercise to everybody.